So here's how we can turn on a microphone on a Discord on the iPad, and let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, Discord is naturally a third-party app, and you can use it for, using the voice, and it can access the microphone and everything, right? But if you want to revoke or change the permissions for that, you can check out the privacy and a security section of your main settings app, part of which you can see we have the dedicated microphone section. And that's pretty cool, as you can see, because every single application in here can be managed separately for the microphone access. So I can find a Discord in here like that, and if I have it turned off for some reason, I can ensure that it is set up the proper way, meaning the toggle is green and I can find it without any issues, right? Outside of that, you can also check out the apps section of your settings, where we have the dedicated Discord section, which is okay, it's right there. So obviously, again, the same thing for microphone, but also for other things like the live activities. And if you also use the camera with the app, you can also change the permission for the camera in here. So that's kind of how it works. And one last option to ensure that everything runs smoothly would be to check out the App Store, where you look up the Discord in the search, and if there is an update available, tap on the update button and you're going to get the latest version of the available app, right? But that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.